Assalamu alaikum, dear students. How are you? I hope you are fine at homes. Due to COVID-19, video recorded lectures are delivered to you. Please listen and read. Today we start the first lecture for class 9th, chemistry, chapter number 5. Physical states of matter. Physical states of matter. Dear students, as you know what is matter and the physical states of matter. What is matter? Anything that has mass and occupies space is called matter. There are three physical states of matter. There are three physical states of matter: gases, liquids, and solids. What is meant by gases, liquid, and solid substances? Gaseous state of matter. What is meant by a gas? Gaseous state is a state of matter which has no definite shape and no definite volume. Gaseous state of matter, it has no definite shape, it has no definite shape and no definite volume. As you know, air is a gaseous state of matter. So gases, liquid, and solids, there are three physical states of matters. Now we study the typical properties of gases. Typical properties of matter or gases. You know the word diffusion. Diffusion, it is defined as when gas molecules collide with one another and with a wall of containers, they form homogeneous mixture. Is called diffusion. Diffusion की definition: diffusion, molecules, gas के molecule mix up होते हैं by random motion and collisions. Due to random motion and collisions, they form homogeneous mixture, which is called diffusions. और आपने यूं भी स्टडी किया होगा, the movements of molecule from a region of higher concentration to a lower concentration is also called diffusion. But now in your book, class 9th, diffusion means the mixing up of gas molecule by random motion and collision, the mixing up of gas molecules. Gas molecules by random motion collisions, and collisions to form homogeneous mixture Dear students, the rate of diffusion depends upon the molecular mass. Rate of diffusion depends depends on molecular mass. So the lighter gases diffuses faster than the heavier ones. Lighter gases diffuses faster than heavier ones. As you know, hydrogen has a lighter mass than oxygen, so hydrogen diffuses 4 times. Hydrogen gas diffuses 4 times more than oxygen. Yes, dear students, diffusion, mixing up of gas molecule, and this mixing is a spontaneous process. The spontaneous mixing, you know the word spontaneous. खुद ब खुद गैसेस का जो मिक्सचर है वो बाई रैंडम मोशन और कोलेगन्स के ज़रिए होमोजेनाइज हो जाता है. सो द रेट ऑफ डिफ्यूजन डिपेंड्स ऑन मोलेकुलर मास. Lighter gases diffuses faster than heavier ones. For example, hydrogen diffuses 4 times more than oxygen. In the same way, the next properties, typical property of gases is the effusion. Effuse, escape होना, it is the escaping of gas molecule. It is escaping of gas molecules through a tiny hole into a space with lesser pressure. And the rate of effusion also depends upon the molecular mass. And those gases which has lighter mass effuses faster than heavier ones. Like you know, when tire gets punctured, the air is effuses out from the tires. This is the effusion. Now the next property of gas is the pressure. As we studied earlier, the gas molecule mix up with each other by random motion collisions. When the gas molecule mix up, they collide and they exert pressure. So the pressure of gases is also defined as the pressure exerted. Yeah, you know the force exerted per unit surface area. The pressure is the force per unit surface area, and you know the SI unit of force is Newton, and area is meter square. So the unit of pressure is Newton per meter square. Also we use the unit of pressure SI, Pascal. Barometer is used to measure the atmosphere pressure, while manometer is used to measure the pressure in the laboratories. So today in the first lecture we study the 3 typical properties of gases. Number 1, is the diffusion. As you know already, the spontaneous mixing up of gas molecules by random motion and collisions to form homogeneous mixture, and the effusion, escaping of gas molecules through a tiny hole like this. If we suppose that this is a container and this one is a hole, so gas molecules which are present in the container will come one by one and escape through this hole. So this is the effusion. And now the simple pressure, when gas molecules collide with each other, they exert pressure, and the pressure is the force exerted per unit surface area. So आज का लेक्चर हमारा कंप्लीट हुआ, क्लास 9th. इंशाल्लाह नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में रिमेनिंग प्रॉपर्टीज डिस्कस करेंगे. अल्लाह हाफिज़, अल्लाह निगहबान.